So in today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can effectively speed up a video in Premiere Pro. I'm going to be using the rate scratch tool to do this. So already I've got a project open here. We've got two clips on the timeline. These are provided on the only screen of Premiere Pro by Adobe. So as you can see here, we have our clips. Here I'm going to show you how to speed it up. So there's two ways you can do this. One, you can either just press R on your keyboard, that's the letter R for like Robert. Press that, and you're going to see the tool's going to pop up. Or you can go across here. By default, I believe it's set to ripple edit. So you're just going to click this tool here, and you're just going to, in the little arrow in the corner, you're just going to click that, and you'll see it opens up this menu and it shows you the other tools that are along with this tool. So you just click rate scratch. Well, actually we're just going to select the first clip again, then we're going to press R. What you're going to do is you're going to go at the end of the clip or the beginning of the clip, wherever you like, and you're just going to screw up, like pull it along. As you can see here, it says next to the clip, it says about the duration and how like long you're making that clip. So if I make that like 3 seconds, just about 3, it's a bit hard, but there, so 3 seconds and a bit. We can already see now. I'll tell you what, we'll bring another clip in. There we go, we'll just bring another version of this clip in on top. So we'll just turn that one off for a second. As you can see, that one is a bit faster. So if we turn this one on and we turn it off, you'll see it's slightly faster. And we can make it even faster. We go back and we re-edit this clip and we make it about there. You're definitely going to see, we turn this one off, you'll definitely see how much like faster it is compared to if we start the clip from the beginning again. A lot slower. But you can make some things like really fast by doing it this way, so it really can make this whole clip really fast. See, but the problem is when you do that the clips sometimes don't look right. Like that clip, it's not like a fluid amount, so you've got to tailor the duration obviously to your needs. See that there, but you might just want to speed that up slightly. But I say have a play with it and see what you think is ideal, because I don't know your situation or your clips that you are using. But yeah, that's how you use the rate scratch tool in Premiere Pro for speeding up a video. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.